Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn your Facebook page to a professional mode. So if you want to do that, follow the steps in this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. So now once you click on your Facebook app, you now click on your profile icon at this point. So now once you click on that, you click on the three dots close to edit profile. You will now see the second to the last option, turn to professional mode. So now once you read all the terms and conditions, you now proceed and you now tap on turn on. So right now, once you click on professional mode, you now follow the steps. You have a tour. You now keep setting all your default audience. So right now, your professional account is ready. So if you want to go to your dashboard, you proceed and go to professional dashboard to see your monetization requirements and all of that. So this is how to turn on professional accounts on Facebook. If this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and share.